was set up by Apollo Hospitals, which has pioneered many models of healthcare in this country. And AHLL, like one of them, is unique because it brings together three very different facets: healthcare delivery, consumer, and retail services. And what we've been trying to do across the various formats that we have is bring together the best in clinical outcomes, clinical quality, as well as making these services accessible and of scale across the country. And in that process, build strong consumer brands which connect with consumers across the country and leverage those relationships, including digital media. We today have a broad portfolio of services that we offer. These services address basic needs that we are seeing consumers in this country seeking today. Consumers increasingly want healthcare services closer to home. They want convenience. And our Apollo clinics and Apollo medical centers bring the Apollo expertise closer to the home of each individual. Consumers are seeking specialization. Apollo Sugar, which is our integrated care diabetes model, Apollo White, which are dental clinics, and Apollo Dialysis are providing specialized services in the neighborhoods that we serve. Apollo Cradle is our hospital for women and children, and that ensures that consumers get a very personalized experience because that's what they're seeking when they go through a journey of 9 months of maternity. Apollo Spectra, our surgical centers, a relatively new concept that we brought to this country, addresses the concern of patients in terms of the time that they have. Spectra centers are surgical centers where planned surgery can be done very conveniently, very often can be discharged on the same day. And Apollo Diagnostics brings the Apollo brand into a new sphere of diagnostics, giving consumers the quality and assurance that they expect from Apollo. The AHLL business plays in a very, very large market. So we cater to an opportunity which is 330,000 crores. So the size of the market is very large, and each of our formats within that space are market leaders. Apollo Spectra, Apollo Clinics, Apollo Cradle, Apollo Sugar, Apollo White. All of these formats are market leaders in the markets that they play in. And as I said, we've been building out this format to cater to consumers across the country. We today have over 400 touch points in 18 states of the country. So we're touching consumers across the length and the breadth of this country, and there are very few geographies where we're not present in today. And I can confidently say that we will be there very, very soon. We're building this business on 5 basic pillars. The first is to build an organization which builds and grows talent and builds strong processes. And as we do that, we're increasing penetration across the country. We're adding the number of locations that we're in. At the same time, improve the productivity of the centers that we've already built and build strong consumer brands. Because we do believe that in the primary and secondary healthcare space that we play in, the consumer is connecting to healthcare brands. And as we do all of this, we leverage the very wide variety of services and offerings and capabilities that Apollo has. So across the hospitals, across Apollo pharmacies, Apollo Munich Insurance, across the nursing colleges, the medical colleges, telehealth. So all the services and capabilities that Apollo has built, we bring together to the benefit of consumers in the geographies. And as we built this business over the last few years, I think we stand today to look at how do we take this business forward. And I'm very happy to announce that we're really announcing the next stage of that relationship as IFC and IFC Asset Management Company come and become partners in our business to build this out with an investment that they're making. So the announcement that we'd like to make today is an investment that IFC and IFC AMC are making in AHLL of 450 crores.